Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Blue Cannon, and today I'll be spending a lot of money on my brand new car. Yeah, I'm not sure what's the name of the car, but yeah, I'll be spending a lot of money on it. And stay tuned. It's so crazy, bro. First thing first, I'm on. Let me see. Let's start. Let's start with the interior, brother. Steering wheel. How much? Ooh, I like this one. I like this one. No, I ain't gonna lie. I like that one. Speed meter. Alright, that. And I'll be going with this one and that one. Okay, so far, like, I spent about, like, I'm not sure. So all the steering wheels about $5,000, and the speed meter was like, I think they'll equal like 250, about 300. I think 300. And okay, this one I think it's $200. I ain't gonna lie. And the column is like, it's about, I'm not sure. Oh, I think it's two.
A few moments later.
When I step on it, when it hits about like 100 speed meter, man, it goes crazy, bro. Listen to it. Hear that? Is that sound? You cannot suck, bro. Listen. Look at this movie. They smoked me, bro. They showed me flames, nigga. Like, bro, I don't see them anymore.